Welcome to Module 8, the final module in your course. Here, we will discuss the integration of the new Active Threat Plan with our existing Crisis Plan. These revisions and the creation of the new Active Threat Plan also requires that we make some revisions to our existing Crisis Flip Charts. It's very important that everyone has a clear understanding of the purpose and application of each component to the plan. The Crisis Flip Chart will consist of 13 elements numbered 0 to 12. The following revisions will need to be made of each of your campus crisis flip charts. Number 1, chart number 9, Controlled Campus, replaced with an updated version of the same. 2, chart number 10, Lockdown, replaced with the Active Threat Plan chart. And 3, the Safe Classroom sign being removed from all charts and discontinue use. It is critically important that all campuses be trained the same and operate on the same safety guidelines. In order to ensure consistency and support your school's implementation of these important changes, the school district will be printing stickers for use and updating your charts and sending them to all schools.